So if you're new to Grok AI and you're not sure where to start, yeah, this beginner guide will walk you through everything step by step in a really simple way. First, open the X app or go to the Grok interface. You'll usually find Grok inside X since it's built right into the platform. Next, log into your account. If you don't have one, create it first. It's quick and completely free to get started. Now find Grok in the menu or sidebar and tap on it to open the AI chat interface. Start by typing your first question, like explain this topic, summarize this, or even ask for ideas. Just keep it clear and simple. You can also try different types of prompts at Yagas, like asking Grok to write, explain, compare, or even generate ideas. The more specific you are, the better the results. If the answer isn't perfect, just refine your question. Ask it again in a clear or more detailed way, and Grok will adjust its response. And that's it. Now you know how to use